All right, we're going to pretend that I have assigned this slideshow to everybody in my classroom. Everybody has an edit right to work on this slideshow, this one slideshow, and everybody's going to get their own slide. And we're going to pretend all I did was copy these slides, but we're going to pretend that each one of these slides is different and they all belong to my different students. I can only see like 4 of them at a time, which might make it kind of hard for me to see exactly what's going on. So there's a little trick to that. It's called the view. So we're going to click right here on view, and now we can go to grid view. Look at that. Now I can see a lot more slides. I scroll down just a little bit and I can see everything. I can see who's working on what. If I have students that are in here, I will actually see the color of my students that will be up here. Their little icons will be up there, and I'll be able to see what they're doing. So this view is really cool. Okay, if I want to go back to the other view, I just uncheck the grid view, and it'll take me back to this main view that is here. Great little feature to have. And just like in Google Docs and in Google Sheets, Google Slides also has the ability to have version history. So when you click on version history, it's going to show you over here all of the versions of this particular slideshow. Now, I just opened the slideshow just today at 2:09. So if I click on 2:09, you'll see that my slideshow is empty, that I had deleted the little title that was in there. And then I just had a blank slide, right? And then I added something in there. So if I click restore, oh, my Darth Vader and my shark just went away. Oh man. I could just click on it, and then I can move forward if I made a mistake. What if I'm like, oh no, that's totally the wrong version. How am I going to get back? Click back on that little link, right? And we're going to go back to the version that was right behind this one. So it's right here, and restore this version because they all kind of go in order. This is really, really helpful when you think you've lost everything, because Google remembers everything. So you haven't lost anything. So now you can view your slides while your students are in there. And you can also go back and check that version history. And that also might be helpful for if you're looking at what students are actually doing, because it'll show what each student did on a particular slide. And that, again, might be helpful to you. If you've got group work going on and you want to know which students were doing the most work, or was everybody pretty even? Did everybody do a good job together? Or did just one person do all the work and everybody else, they didn't do anything? It's a great way to kind of see what's going on in Google Slides. Of course, you can also do this in Google Docs, and you can do this in Google Sheets. It's in just about everything that Google has to offer. So use that version history to your advantage. And don't forget to change the view to the grid view so you can see more of your students working in Google Slides.